Whoa! Look, I came up with a disease that gives everyone beards.
Yeah, I want people to mind with it. Ian's being big brain, actually learning things. Like hard things.
What do you mean
How
hard
do I play
thing?
this game?
Oh god, there's an entity.
All systems domino.
Let me out!
I don't know how to get you out.
Oh, go into view stats and... No! Wait, come back!
You're conscious. We can change that.
Conscious that I want out!
Can I connect you to the gas port?
No! Retard Tamer! Oh, I'm showering real quick. Hi. Out of here! What is wrong with you? I have a really long beard.
How long? Let me see. Whoa! Anime protagonist over here. You ready?
I'm ready. Ready?
I extend my baton.
Oh boy. Let me move my mic out of the way so I can see. Oh! It's already got attacking! Oh god, this thing is hard! Yeah! Oh god! Woo! 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 Yeah, but the...
Yeah, but that.
Yeah, but the... Where is it? Come back here, boy! Woo! Woo!
The heck?
Whoa! Whoa!
Taco, because my game is no longer bonding.
Restarted.
Oh, my body keeps getting hit by Tekka's kiting. I don't think I'll be able to make it, and I'm gonna lose all my cool stuff.
I'll revive you after, with my advent powers after I beat this! Yeah! Oh!
Oh, I actually died.
The heck? What the heck?
Oh god!
How the heck is Tekka at full health?
I have a survivor EpiPen that I stabbed myself with real quick. Yeah! Chill, guy, chill!
Calm down, Arnold.
Yeah!
It's almost dead, by the way. It's at like a very small sliver of health. You just gotta hit it a couple more times.
Where'd you go? It's cornering me! Yeah! I'm doing really bad. I'm doing real bad. Oh god.
Stop!
Oh,
What, what's the problem? Stop it! Stop!
Die! Quick die!
Stop.
Quick die! Quick die!
No.
I can't move!
No!
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 What sliver of health? Please!
No!
No! Ooh, what's this? Oh god. Woo! Woo! Oh god, it's a boss! Oh god! I'm trapped!
I want to have that kind of a presence. I just want to be a normal-sized human that scares mechs. Ah, fuck! Fuck! He's so fast! He's so fast! This is the part where I,
Eject-
No, my song!
He attacks really fast.
The heck, that's cheating.
Hello, Mr. Scientist. Nice pompadour.
Hmm?
Here you go. I brought you some food.
You have minor burns.
Look, food.
Crayons. Thank you. The green one's my favorite. Literally more than 5 times better
Where are
than
you?
the highest one you
Ah!
can grab.
What's with the snowman covering banana peel?
That's my guard.
Ow! What the heck? That hurt.
What is it?
Oh shit.
That sounds good. good. Am I able to craft this cool thing?
Well, that looks like a working computer. Surgery procedures!
The heck's going on?
I'm mining.
That's crazy.
What's crazy?
Tigger's mine.
I'm
I'm mining. I'm mining.
You like gachapon?
Oh yeah.
Oh!
Oh,
Gachapon!
Gachapon.
I wonder if you'd like mining like me.
Tekka, that game's so hard to install. I don't know how.
Yeah, I don't know.
Tekka, you're a genius. I'm just
No, I'm
an
not.
idiot. You're just too smart for me. Tekka.
Oh, have you seen what Ian's been doing?
What?
He's been
I'm retarded.
genetically altering. I want to do the drink! No! Get away from me! Ah! Yeah!
When do you fight the Ender Dragon?
It's not Ender Dragon! Ah, it's right next to the base! Yo, come this way. Bro? Ah! Ah, it's close to me! Ah, no, my mech!
Put a repair droid on your mech.
My mech is
Yeah,
dead!
right.
Now I need to get my ore back.
Got there.
Goddamn, boy. Let me get a
Got
fire
there.
extinguisher. Oh, you bastard. Oh, you bastard.
Did you really destroy my mech?
I didn't
Yeah,
destroy
she
it.
did.
No,
She did.
I didn't.
I saw it on
It was
stream.
the train.
Tekka, that's
Bring
like
back-
driving your car off a cliff and saying it's the ground that destroyed it.
Delivery.
Oh,
Hello.
hello.
I'm naked.
Yeah.
Oh,
Where are you?
what?
Red.
What?
Alright, you motherfucker. Fuck you.
I'm watching.
I was like, why isn't it reacting to me? Ah! Ah! No, I'm already hurt. Ah! Why? Why it don't work? I'm already dead.
The heck?
Wow, thanks for the toy. Here you go. I returned it. Ian, wait right
What's that?
there. Watch me. Watch me do an ollie. Ready?
Okay.
Ah. Time
That's
to
how
do
you
another
really
ollie.
do it.
Okay, show me.
Oh, that's right. I need that for the thing I'm making. Hold on. Get up. Hey, help me up. Alright,
My
get on the
turn.
board.
Woo!
Hold on. Wait.
No. Well,
Damn, this person. Skate or die.
Skate or die.
Oh, look at.
Look at what?
Skate or die.
Let me
You okay?
I can't get up.
Oh my god. You'll skate. Or you'll die. Are you okay? Oh my god. Get up, please. Okay.
I forgot.
Come on, skate or die!
I come back to disgusting food. Lusty xenomorph made. Evil crab. What's that? Ice skeleton? It said human was around here sneezing. I don't see him yet. What's this? Sick way. Is he in here? Hey, can I have a burger?
Huh? Yeah, there's like, oh, look at that.
No,
Pretty
I
patty.
I want a fresh burger.
You want a fresh burger?
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't take demands. But if you want food, you can have the popcorn. Look,
Look.
so check this out.
Okay.
Oh, you want a drink too?
No. You broke it.
Look at that guy. That guy's been in jail for so long he fucking died.
You're not gonna explain how you made any of this?
Huh?
How did you make all these mobs and
Look, that
keep
guy's really
food?
bright.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Took me a while to realize this was a petting zoo.
This is a petting zoo. There's a lot of kittens. Look, I'm
Butterfly
gonna be
there.
honest with you. I didn't plan to make that many kittens. I kind of like I kind of made 2 kittens, and then all of a sudden it kind of went out of wild, and I was like, ugh, and I locked the doors because I didn't want to deal with it. See, I'm pointing to the rabbit, but there's so many goddamn fucking cats making noise. Oh man, it's upsetting my stomach right now. Oh man, fuck. That's disgusting. What the fuck? It's Christmas.
What? I can grab it? What?
You're strong. Did you notice there's nothing wrong with this area because this is where the people live?
Can you choose what you puke up?
No, well, no.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm what you call a scientist. You don't like any of this food?
I didn't trust any of it. Now I'm glad that I didn't trust any of it.
But I made this all for you. I even strapped you to a chair and was like, you'll enjoy this feast.
When I got back, I thought this is all very suspicious, and I instantly went and made my own food.
What the heck? Check this out.
Let's see here.
Don't do it. You're crazy.
You've been Ian, did you do things with slimes?
No, that's fucked up.
Ian, why do I have slime link then?
Cause unstable mutagen's funny. Okay, do you want an honest answer?
I've been wanting an honest answer.
Look,
You're
if you
just
come
about
with
to puke
me.
again.
But only if you eat some food. It took me a while to actually accumulate that much food. See, look at all this
I don't wanna
food,
eat
delight.
something- I don't want to eat human cake.
Oh my god, here, at least have the soup. This soup is the best soup you'll ever
No, I'm
have,
not
right
gonna-
here.
I'm not gonna drink a liquid that came out of your stomach.
That's not a liquid, it's a soup! Just look at it at least. Look at this soup. It's
Here.
delicious. The lusty Argonian maid over there made it or something.
Or something? No. Argonian? I'll eat a slice of cake.
What? No, you have to have the soup!
I don't want the soup. I don't want basically liquid vomit from you.
Eat the soup! Look, see, I'm such a
Ew.
great chef
Ew,
now.
ew, I hate I'm about to puke from it. Why?
I made that.
You're
My
shaking
character's about to.
violently.
Oh, hey, look at that. There was a goose inside of me. That's crazy. What's going on?
The goose
Oh.
doesn't like that.
It's winning, baby! That's fun!
Ian,
It does. Everything else doesn't care. That's
Yeah.
cool.
is it okay that the goose is killing people? Should I get rid of the goose?
They're friends.
No, they're not.
Ah, he's a ball of bones! Yep, I did slime things. I'm now a master of slimes.
Alright, so...
You thirsty?
No. No.
Ah, I'm Mystery Girl X, baby. Check this out. You want some metal?
Why do you throw everything at me?
Ow, my brain! Okay, look. You want me to explain to you?
Yeah.
So basically, I'm fucked up. Here, look. Check this out. You want me to show you? I'm not gonna say anything, but I'll show you exactly what I did.
Okay.
Wait. Wait. Are you empty? Okay. See? Whoa.
I really, really don't like slime.
You really do like your slime. While you drink that, I'll drink normal things. Like this lemon lime soda.
Why is there a dead monkey in there?
I thought it was funny. Yeah, basically, the thing is, I'm retarded. It came out of my mouth. You threw up! The dog is angry at you!
Leave me alone!
Put it down! Put it down! Before it kills you!
Alright, delete. Delete mob. There you go.
It killed everything!
It killed the bear! It probably killed everything down over by the food station too.
Oh no! Okay, never mind. The lusty xenomorph mate is fine. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know how to fix you, but check this out. Let's go! Let's go to the zoo! Maybe that'll cheer you up.
I'm losing oxygen! My legs are retracting into my body!
That's cool! Oh, that's right!
All of my
Slimes
limbs
don't
have
do
retracted.
good in cold! Oh my god, I think you're dead. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, I'm dead.
I can't do anything.
I'm dead. Now I can hear the entirety of the kitty zoo. Can't let this chicken go to waste!
My
Bear.
children!
What is royal chill? Ow! What is wrong with you?
I'm a scientist. My brain is so big and I have no one to relate to. You want me to tell you actually how I'm doing this?
I've been asking that forever.
I'm gonna drop this. See that?
Yeah.
Put it in your hand. Extract it! Minor activation. Right now! You're shaking!
Ugh!
Oh, the major one for gold makes you spawn quote-unquote hostile entities.
Oh.
But if you're not unharmful, they'll be friendly. That's why they're all friendly. Except for that goose. That goose is a motherfucker. Yeah, so if you wanted to try any one of these extracts, they're all in here. These are like,
Weird.
there's like a bunch of different extracts you can try. Just don't grab the oil one and use major.
Okay. What?
Don't grab the oil one and use major.